Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. We have a Ronson ADONIS British patent and trademarks made in England. Nice paint, and I'm not sure what the logo is. Does show some dents and dings, as the vast majority of my lighters do. Scuffs, but a very nice lighter. I don't know, for you guys that carry a vintage lighter to light your cigarettes or your joints or whatever it is you smoke every day, I don't know if you've ever owned and carried a well-functioning vintage Ronson ADONIS lighter, but you should. It's one of the more dependable old lighters that you're going to run across. Has the typical Ronson pattern for the mechanism. Nothing surprising there. I did have to drill this one out from the top. It was packed in there pretty tight. But I got it out without any problem. The flint spring screw, I don't believe there was any problem. I think everything was good. Except for the fact that there was a flint stuck in there. And anyway, so we remedied that. All good now. Better watch it, I'm gonna lose that spring or the screw or both. If they'll tighten it by hand, I usually don't. I don't usually use a screwdriver unless I have to. But now this, I had to use a screwdriver to get this out a while ago. Let's see if I have to get it out now. No. Somebody had put like some, what do you, some kind of like glue or epoxy or liquid thread tape or something in there. But I think I got it cleaned out pretty good. To where at least now with the knurled screw there. I didn't even need a screwdriver. I thought something was really wrong at first. Like I said, I think it's fine now. May have overfilled it with fuel. It's a perpetual habit of mine. If you know what that logo is, leave a comment in the below the video. I'd really like to know. Tried to look on Google, but nothing came up. As you can see, like I said, scuffs, scrapes, typical. Doesn't mean it's not a nice old lighter, but they're just going to have that. They're going to have that. If they've been used, they're going to have scuffs and scrapes. And fortunately for this lighter, the paint seems to be all intact. And there are some scuffs and scrapes and maybe a blemish or two to the paint, but it's not gone anywhere, it doesn't appear. So, very nice lighter. As I said, the typical arrangement for the mechanism of the Ronson. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Excuse me. Like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends. Hit the share button and send it to them in a text or email or however it is that you communicate those sort of things. If you have questions or anything at all, comment below. That'd be the right place to do that. And social media. If it's going to be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com, on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and of course follow us on eBay. So until next time.